it's so cute. I got something on my teeth. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are coming around for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold, and today's episode is all about will I buy it, should I buy it? Without a beat, let's talk about Kim Kardashian's concealer bake and set. It's a 3-set product that you can buy separately, and basically you have the concealer and then you have the powder, loose powder, which you can just put on to bake, and then you have a pressed powder that you can use to set. And she has 4 sets, which is the fair, the tan, the medium, and the deep. I don't remember whether those are the exact colors, but they're in 4 categories for different complexions. I think it's genius. I think it is absolutely genius, because that is what we do every day. You have your concealer, you bake a little bit, you brush that off, and then you have your little pressed powder for your setting, which you put into your bag, and you just kind of set your face, your under eye all day. I love it. It's $18 for each piece, but as we all know, Kim K, there's not that much product in it. Never is for any of her products, as a matter of fact. You know, it's kind of sort of limited. So is it a little bit pricey? Yes, it is. Is it a great idea? I think it's a wonderful idea. The only issue I have with it is that the deep is not dark enough, and then the pressed powder is orange, so it would not work for me, and because of that I cannot buy it. While we're still on Kim K, Kim K collaborated with her wonderful makeup artist of 10 years, Mario, and on the anniversary of their 10-year relationship, working friendship relationship, they launched a palette, 2 lip glosses and a lipstick. The color of the palette was grey, which is Mario's favorite color, and they had different names for all the colors in the palettes. Libra for that beautiful electric blue. For me, I think it's gorgeous. I think it's a wonderful, gorgeous, well thought out palette, because it's very true to Kim and also to Mario. Mario is the artist and Kim is the muse. We know Kim for all of those beautiful muted colors, and they had a wonderful party in Beverly Hills. All the top influencers were there as well, and it was really great to celebrate their relationship, their working relationship, and to see how far that they have come. So it was a limited edition. It is already sold out. Kim says she's going to relaunch the collection yet again. The palette was $45. The lip glosses $18 each. The lipstick was $20. The lip glosses were nudes. It was a pinky nude and it was a nude nude, and again the lipstick was a nude, which is very true to Kim K. I wouldn't get them because I would have to line each one with a pencil, and I already have those kind of colors. The palette, I absolutely love the palette, and if it wasn't the fact that Juvia's Place already has all of those colors, I would have bought the palette. But the blue, Juvia's Place has it. The other colors, Juvia's Place has it. So I'll be buying doubles at this point. I have so much makeup that at this point I really just have to look for those colors that I don't have. And Juvia's Place already has that. I'm going to put a couple of pictures up for you guys to see. I've already done that look way back when, but I think it's a wonderful palette. $45 is a little bit pricey, but then again it's Kim, you know, but I think it was a lovely palette. Some people thought, oh, it was so simple, it was very basic, but Kim is very, very simple. She's very simple. She's not as zhazha, as glam when it comes to packaging of her brand, like say Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath is glamour, it's luxe, it's heavy, it's quality. Kim, very simple, very clean lines. It is what it is. From the very day that she launched her product, this is what she has shown us. So I didn't see anything wrong with the packaging. I thought the packaging is really nice, actually. I loved the crystal lipstick. I loved the packaging for the lipstick in the crystal motif, because she had crystals for her fragrance. I thought it was very fabulous. I really did. I loved it. I loved what she wore, the Versace dress at her party. I think she's doing such a good job. She really is. The simple fact that I'm not buying it is because I have those colors, and Juvia's Place has already spoiled me with various palettes, and I have all of those colors. Specifically that blue, I already got it. Alrighty, now we're going to go to Rihanna. Rihanna has launched Body Lava. Yes, darlings. So what does she have? She has the Fairy Bomb Pom Pom packed with shimmer inside. That costs $42. The Body Lava, which is the body luminizer, and it comes in 2 different shades, brown sugar as well as Who Needs Clothes, for $59 each, as well as the Kabuki brush, $34. What do I think? I think it's a waste of money. And you know I love me some Rihanna. You know I love Fenty Beauty. Let me start with the pom-pom. That just sounds so ridiculous to me. It's a big fluffy pom-pom, like a toy. You can't really keep it in anything. It's going to grab dust over time. You know this to be very true. For $42, I am going to take Ula's money and buy this pom-pom. Right there, I am playing with my marriage. I am playing with my marriage. He said, Fumi, you know I love you. You know I support you in everything. But this pom-pom, $42? I don't think so. And I have to agree. The body luminizer is nothing new. I know it's spring. I know it's summer. You have to bring out something. But you can get this for so much more cheaper. So much more cheaper. Call it $60 plus tax in the US. No. Let's be honest. And don't get me wrong. I've tried it. It's a little bit sticky. It's almost like Vaseline kind of whatever. So my thing is like, it's going to stick on my clothes. It will shift over time. You know, it's nothing great. It is nothing great to me. I've seen it before. I already have something very similar to that for less, and it's not sticky. That is just my personal opinion. I went over to Harvey Nichols and I tried it out, and it was nice, but it wasn't a must-have. The Kabuki brush, same thing. I don't think it's big enough. I think it should be big and fluffy like the pom-pom so that you can spread it all over. Not this little itty-bitty thing that's going to cost me $34. It didn't work for me. It didn't work for me. I love me some Fenty. I love me Rihanna. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you this. I'm not buying Kim's lip glosses because I already have the Gloss Bomb from Fenty Beauty. I think it is the best to date when it comes to lip glosses. That kind of nudie effect, the best. So it's just a matter of, you know, for me, be really honest, be really real with your peeps and call it like it is. I don't think that this is something you have to invest in. You can honestly take a wonderful, gorgeous pass. Yeah? Alrighty. And then we have our beautiful Patrick Starrr. He has collaborated again with MAC. This is his second collection. I think he has 2 more collections coming out this year. And it's a beautiful collection, beautiful quartz. He has 2 sets of quartz, and it has again those gorgeous colors. Purple, you have blue, you have pink. You've got 2 lip glosses, you've got 2 lipsticks, as well as blushes. The kit 1, Miso Fleek, is $49.50. And then the second kit is called Miso Chic, and that also retails for $49.50. Do I love it? Am I feeling it? Is it giving me life? Absolutely. Will I buy it? No. I've got the colors from Anastasia Beverly Hills, these lipsticks. The palettes again, Juvia's Place knocks it out of the pack. They've been brought out these colors a year and a half ago. So if I bought this, and you know I love me Patrick Starrr, I will support you. I think perhaps I would get the blushers, and even the blushers are a bit light for me. The packaging, gorgeous. I love that spring bloom. I'm a spring baby, but I have it. I got it. So what can I tell you? Of all the collabs that have come out so far, his is the most colorful in packaging as well as product. It's just that I have these colors. Also in the news, Inglot is collabing with Jennifer Lopez for an entire collection. I cannot wait to see what she's going to come out with. I am so excited because, you know, JLo is my girl. And that is it, my loves. What I do recommend is for you guys to get Cardi B's album. Yes, Invasion of Privacy. I am loving Ring Ring. It's one of my favorite songs. I play it like literally every day. And I also like Be Careful With Me. me. I like that as well. Congratulations, Cardi, on your album. Congratulations on your pregnancy. I am so happy for you. You just have to love her. And I absolutely do. So that is it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed the episode and I will see you soon. Sending you all of my love. You guys tell me what you're looking forward to and what you guys are looking to buy. Because right now, I'm not inspired. Nothing much is coming out, you know. Maybe because I've got so much makeup already, I don't know. Ula?
Bye-bye.
He's so happy. Girlfriend is not buying anything this time around. Thank you, Jesus. Bye-bye. Love you.